Welcome. In this video we'll show you the basics of an amplifier installation. Adding an amplifier is a great way to improve the sound quality of your system, whether you're looking for enhanced detail and realism or just more overall volume and impact. Before beginning the installation, determine the best place to locate your amplifier. Popular locations are under a seat or in a trunk or cargo area. Keep in mind, amplifiers tend to get warm, so make sure the location provides adequate ventilation. Since amplifiers do not include the wiring necessary for installation, make sure you purchase an appropriate amplifier wiring kit, which includes everything you need to make proper power connections and audio connections. Since you'll be connecting wires directly to your car's battery, begin the installation by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This protects you, your vehicle, and your new gear. The first step is to run the main power cable from the battery to the amplifier location. Start by connecting the supplied ring terminal to the positive battery post, making sure the fuse is not connected in the attached fuse holder. You can then attach the longer length of power cable that will be run to the amplifier. You'll need to route this power cable through the firewall that separates the engine from the vehicle's interior. The easiest method is to try and locate a place where existing wire passes through. Once the cable has been routed through, continue running it to the amplifier's location. In many vehicles, you can remove the door seal trim panels and route the power cable underneath the carpeting. You may need to partially remove the back seat if running the power cable to the trunk. Next, install the signal cables from your receiver to the amplifier. However, since the power cable installed earlier will tend to emit electrical noise, which can be picked up and amplified by the signal cables, it's best to run the signal cables on the opposite side of the car. You'll want to safely hide your signal cables under the carpet just as you did with the power cable. While you have the receiver out of the dash, connect an amplifier turn-on lead and install it along with the signal cables. This turn-on lead will cue the amplifier to power up whenever the receiver is in operation. All electrical components require a ground, including your amplifier. Proper grounding is very important to make sure the amp operates to its full potential. Generally speaking, your ground should be short and properly secured to the chassis or the frame of the vehicle. Find a nearby bolt where you can connect the ring terminal included with the amp kit. For more information on proper grounding, read our online documentation or give our technical service reps a call. The final connections will be from your amp to your speakers. Be sure to use good quality speaker wire. Ask your sales rep for their recommendation on the appropriate wire to suit your needs. Now that all the